Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about shirt series for iOS 11, 12, and 13, but 13.7. First series called Checkra1n Global. Enables hidden features, introduces new features, amplifies cell signal, amplifies data speeds, and more. So also I just want to mention that this does not actually change your plan. Your plan still stays the same. This series called Delta iOS 13 and Delta emulator for an iOS multi-system emulator. Brought out by Riley Testup, previously the developer of popular emulator GBA for iOS. So all these features basically allows you to play Game Boy games on your phone. This is called Genesis, and basically it's a tweak that aims to allow users to customize the things that the app doesn't normally allow to make people who are tired of waiting for the app to give us a redesign. This is called LS Clarifier, and this is a lock screen clarifier, moves background blocks for lock screen stuff. This is called Good Wi-Fi, better Wi-Fi preferences, so you can move RSSI limit, show no networks, show MAC address. This is called Vesta, access all your applications with a swipe. This is called Instant Launcher 2, system-wide application launcher, allows you to swipe from the device edges to show a launcher of your choice. This is called Hide Your Apps, hide annoying or infrequently used applications from your Springboard, and apps which will be accessible from your Spotlight search. This is called Bugger, iOS developer tool enabling access to iOS built-in UI debugger tool. So pretty cool. This is called Force in Picture. Now, programmably enable picture-in-picture feature on unsupported devices. This is called Scorpion, and intrusive color interface say no more. So gives you basically that color bar ETS feature. You see iOS 14 color feature. This is called Nice Color or Nice Color ETS. This is called Volume Controller, iOS 13 above. Change size and position of volume HUD in both portrait and landscape mode. Choosing the iOS default look and slim and bold version of it, and move the HUD freely on the screen. So pretty cool. This is called Serif, and basically take control of your control center, change the color of it. This is called Convert. Enables tapping buttons. Enables tapping the tabs button in Safari, and then tap the button. Private browsing UI will change color to indicate private browsing is enabled. This is called Convert CK. City commercial on unregistered SKU. Hide and mute conversations in the message app. This is called Vesta. Access to applications with a swipe. This is called Notice and custom text notifications. So pretty cool. This is called Auto Scroll. Tired of mechanical scrolling slavery. Basically, this tweak does it scrolls down for you. This is called Conditional Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi block apps from accessing Wi-Fi. This is called Cylinder, and this basically does work on iOS 14 as well. This is called MagSafe, and MagSafe charging indicator just like iOS 14, but for lower iOS versions, 12 to 14. This is called iNut, and basically it's an adult entertainment app. This is called BatSafe, and allows you to control what percentage your battery should stop charging. This is called YT Nodes, block ads for YouTube. This is called Ainsworth, kind of experience you deserve. This is called Spotry, quickly change from Spotify using Siri on iOS 13. This is called Spotty Center or Spotty Charge. Spotty Changer, change Spotify artwork and song names, and this week Spotty Center or Centrate, center of the song artist name in Spotify. This is called Modern Power, and more good looking and less intrusive Power UI. This is called Always Edit Pages. Neat tweet that shows that always new feature of edit pages introduced in iOS 14 for moving apps pages, tapping the app pages dots icons. This is called Perfect Photos, very enhancements to the Photos app. This is called Perfect Phone, no voicemail tab, longer call button, show time and recent calls. This is called No Type Tap Delay, disable tap and notification banners for the first 0.5 seconds of it appearing. Helps avoid accidental clicks. This is called Keyboard Controller and control your keyboard. This is called Tets Time. Allows the time as Tets and allows you to have these features, so you see your time as Tets. This is called Network Manage, managing cellular and Wi-Fi network and rights. This tweet has a thing called MIDA and App Store icons for iOS 13 Plus. You saw a shortcut to press force on the app icon and tap on Share App. This is called Smooth App Library. Neat tweet that hides the forward background of a new app library feature introduced in iOS 14. This is called TF Did That Say. And any chat new button will be added. Comment post added to the menu somewhere else in the comment post. So you see what those pesky delete comments without leaving Reddit. Next is called 3D Network Fixer. Long press the desktop icon or call up the application menu. Quickly fix the network permissions for the application. China devices for iOS 10 to 14. The last tweet is called Quick All. One tweet to quit them all. So, you guys, catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.